Baithuti ba ne ba dira ditshupetso kwa ntle ga kgotlatshekelo go ikuela gore molatofadiwa a newe kotlhao e masisi. Go bolawa ga moithuti yo go shakgaditse morafe. Bokamoso bo bo neng bo bontsha bo tsabakela bo khotlisitswe ka tsela e utlwisang botlhoko.
The school is providing the psychologist, and Umas Manyane is also helping us with the counseling services. But for now, nothing makes sense. The counseling is there, but our wounds are still bleeding. So maybe counseling will assist, but not now. Because now we are very angry, we are very sad. This whole thing doesn't make sense to us. We are scared because today it could be one of us.
Kgetse e sutiseditswe go lwetse a le matsatsi a le 28 go dira dipatlisiso tse di tseneletseng jaaka bothati ba bosekisi bo dumela fa kgetse e le masisi.
We are very confident about our case. We do have a confession from the 25-year-old accused, and also we do have statements from witnesses as well. And there's one particular witness who says that she saw him leaving the place of residence where he stayed with the deceased here in the Quickney, carrying these bags.
Re sa le fo go begwa fa polao e setlhogo e ya ga Nosiqelo e tsositse dipuisano ka ga botlhokwa ba lenaane la tiriso dikgoka e ka ga bong.
To want to organize ourselves and talk about these things, because we believe in talking. When we talk, at least we are calm and collected, and we are able then to have a voice of reason. What has happened here, it will forever be in our hearts, and as men we need to take a collective approach as to say it's all in the name of men.
University e tla tshwara tirelo matshediso a ga Nosiqelo mo laborarong o re mo lebileng o.